ZK-CNC-6133 intelligent fully automatic glass cutting consists of 3 systems: loading, cutting, and breaking. It integrates automatic loading, automatic optimization layout, automatic labeling, automatic conveying, and air floating breaking table. It can be equipped with laser marking, low-E film removal, and other functions. The intelligent cutting line has the advantages of good stability, safety and convenience, labor saving and higher efficiency, and provides straight and special shaped cutting of glass. It is suitable for glass cutting operations in construction, decoration, home appliances, mirror assembly, handicrafts, etc.